Hey, good morning guys, and welcome to Sri Lanka. I've been here a week already, and this is right at the end of the trip, but I'm going to show you the next part, or the previous part in the next video. I hope that makes sense. For the last week, I've been using this camera around Sri Lanka, and I wanted to try out, it's the FUJIFILM X-T100. I wanted to try it out for a few days first before I made this video, and I've been using it since I got here to get lots of photos and videos, and now I want to tell you a bit about it. So FUJIFILM sent me this a few days before this trip and just wanted me to try out their mirrorless camera and see what I thought of it. And honestly, I can say 100% honestly that I've been really impressed. And a few people that I've been with have also been like, wow, those photos you're taking look really cool, how are you getting them? And the truth is that since I got this week, I don't know if you've been following my Instagram, but most of the photos I've been putting up have been from the FUJIFILM. Like, I'm gonna have a look through now. I was taking photos on all the cameras I have on me, and they just came out better on this, and the usability of it was also something that made it really useful on this trip. Because on this trip, and you'll see when I get to the next video, we've been having like 12-14 hour itineraries, and it doesn't leave a lot of time to put the photos onto the laptop through Lightroom and editing that way. But the photos from the X-T100 have been pretty much ready to go. So I just transferred them with the Bluetooth, with the Wi-Fi onto my mobile phone, and they were ready to post onto social media, which for me, and the way I do all of this sort of stuff, always on the go, is something that has been really refreshing and really helpful. So this is my Instagram from this week, and let me just see here, of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 photos I've posted from this week so far, 4 of them are from the FUJIFILM X-T100. And yeah, this is a camera that I just picked up, just started using, and I loved it. Honestly, I've only been using this for a few days and I'm already loving it. I've actually got to go. It's 10 minutes until we're leaving for the airport, so we're going to continue this review on the way. Hello. I'm at the airport right now, in the lounge, and besides just photography, I'm actually also vlogging with the FUJIFILM X-T100. So for the past week, I've been using it around Sri Lanka, putting together this little video. So besides that, I just shot it. I haven't edited it yet, but hopefully it turned out alright. One of the other cool features about this camera is that it has built-in film simulation modes which color correct in camera. I was actually just filming that bit, and now I'm running for my gate, as per usual. So I'll continue this as I get further to London. We are almost at the gate now, and also I'm vlogging with the FUJIFILM. I quite like it, it looks nice.
around and I found another pretty cool feature. Check this out. My face is kind of red. I don't think this is what it's intended for, but you can get some really cool shots.
All in all, this is a fantastic piece of kit and it'd be a welcome addition to my camera bag. This is just rented to make this video, but I would definitely consider getting this and I'm already looking at getting this. So Fujifilm, if you're watching this, then yeah, I would happily keep this if I could. But yeah, you know, I've used it, like I said earlier in the video, I've used it for all my photos from this week in Sri Lanka and they look great. I love the colors, I love the tones, and while I'm not the most techie person, I'm sure some of you care about specifications, so here they are. Yeah, I just want to say thanks to Fujifilm for letting me try it out. It was a lot of fun. The thing is, a lot of people say these days that if you've got a smartphone, then why do you need a camera? And I think that's like a majority of people that aren't like professional photographers or just like not even hobbyist photographers that are just doing it. But the truth is, with this, you can get a lot nicer photos than any smartphone. For most people, they may not care, but it's genuinely true. And the ease of use to be able to get photos off this onto your phone and upload it straight to social media makes it a very welcome addition to anyone starting out, looking to travel and take some nice photos or videos. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and this is my life.